Welcome to the magical house. Today, we want to take you on a magical journey. As the sun goes down, all the cats are getting ready for sleep. Would you like to join me in checking who's still awake? Hello, American Shorthair Cat. In the amazing house, the American Shorthair Cat is a versatile and playful companion. With sleek fur and a friendly demeanor, it explores every corner, adding a dash of charm to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a cozy spot to rest, dreaming of playful antics and sharing the house's dreams with an air of delightful versatility. Can you help the American Shorthair Cat settle down and say goodnight? Good night, American Shorthair Cat. Look who's here, Siamese Cat. In the wonderful house, the Siamese cat is a graceful and vocal friend. With striking blue eyes and a sleek coat, it moves with elegance, adding a touch of regality to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a warm perch to rest, dreaming of luxurious moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting sophistication. Can you kiss to the Siamese cat and say goodnight? Good night, Siamese Cat. Hi there, Bengal Cat. In the miraculous house, the Bengal cat is a spirited and exotic companion. With a coat resembling a wild leopard, it leaps and plays with untamed energy, adding a touch of the jungle to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a cozy corner to rest, dreaming of adventurous escapades and sharing the house's dreams with an air of captivating allure. Can you wave to the Bengal cat and say goodnight? Good night, Bengal Cat. Look who we got, Russian Blue Cat. In the fantastic house, the Russian Blue Cat is a serene and elegant companion. With a luxurious silver blue coat and emerald eyes, it moves with a regal grace, adding a touch of sophistication to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a tranquil spot to rest, dreaming of tranquil moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting calm. Can you say good night to the Russian Blue Cat and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, Russian Blue Cat. Hello there, Norwegian Forest Cat. In the fabulous house, the Norwegian Forest Cat is a majestic and hardy friend. With a thick, fluffy coat resembling a winter forest, it roams with a wild grace, adding a touch of Nordic charm to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a cozy perch to rest, dreaming of snowy landscapes and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting resilience. Can you blink slowly just like the Norwegian Forest Cat and whisper, "Good night"? Goodnight Norwegian Forest Cat. Look who showed up, Oriental Shorthair Cat. In the terrific house, the Oriental Shorthair Cat is a sleek and playful companion. With a slender frame and large ears, it dances around with graceful agility, adding a touch of elegance to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a sunny spot to rest, dreaming of vibrant adventures and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting vivacity. Can you say goodnight to the Oriental Shorthair Cat and wish her peaceful dreams? Good night, Oriental Shorthair Cat. How do you do, Cornish Rex Cat? In the brilliant house, the Cornish Rex Cat is a delightful and curly companion. With soft, wavy fur and an affectionate nature, it curls up with charm, adding a touch of whimsy to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a warm nook to rest, dreaming of playful escapades and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting grace. Can you say goodnight to the Cornish Rex Cat and wish her a peaceful sleep? Good night, Cornish Rex Cat. Look what we have here, Selkirk Rex Cat. In the awesome house, the Selkirk Rex Cat is a cuddly and curly friend. With a plush, curly coat and a gentle disposition, it wraps itself in cozy charm, adding a touch of whimsy to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a soft corner to rest, dreaming of affectionate moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting comfort. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the Selkirk Rex Cat? Good night, Selkirk Rex Cat. Buenos dias, Birman Cat. In the enchanting house, the Birman Cat is a regal and gentle companion. With silky fur and striking blue eyes, it moves with an air of elegance, adding a touch of grace to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a peaceful perch to rest, dreaming of tranquil moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting serenity. Can you help the Birman Cat settle down and say goodnight? Good night, Birman Cat. Look who we have, Devon Rex Cat. In the fascinating house, the Devon Rex Cat is a mischievous and playful friend. With its distinctive curly coat and large ears, it prances around with whimsical energy, adding a touch of joy to the home. As the sun sets, it finds a cozy spot to rest, dreaming of lively escapades and sharing the house's dreams with an air of enchanting cheer. Can you wave to the Devon Rex Cat and say goodnight? Good night, Devon Rex Cat. In this magical house, As the house becomes quiet and the stars twinkle, all the cats have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. You've been a wonderful helper in wishing each one a peaceful slumber. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the cats we met in the house today. Good night, little one. Good night, cats.